Hello and thank you for viewing this video. This is the demonstration video for the marketing contact list template software. As you can see, this will be the spreadsheet that you would receive if you purchased it. The idea behind the spreadsheet is that everybody's got a list of potential clients that they want to market to. Everyone's got a contact list of clients that they want to actually try and market to and see if they can get business out of. The only problem is that they keep these lists in data format and it never actually generates any reports or anything like that. So what I've decided to do is actually create this one, which is the same kind of idea. You capture all of the data, the list of people that you want to contact, but this one actually gives you reports. So you could either have one of these for your company, or if you have various salespeople or marketing people, you can actually create one for each of them. Once you purchase the software, you can just keep a blank template and say save as and create as many of these lists as you need. Let me just take you through it and show you what's going on here. The response categories. These are all the categories of the responses that you could potentially get from these would-be clients. So anything from no reply yet to contract accepted. I've put in some ideas, but you can change these. You can alter what's in here to give you 5 different response categories of the response from the client. You put in the starting month and the year. This actual spreadsheet is valid for a year. That doesn't mean that it expires. What that means is that if you create a template and you put it in from January 2014, keep a blank one, and then what you do when it comes to January 2015, you can take the blank one and save as and create a new one from January 2015. The only reason why it says valid for a year is just because all the statistics are laid out as per a year. That can be a calendar year or financial year. You just put in the starting month, excuse me, and the starting year. The company name will be locked. Just for security reasons, you'll be obviously be able to give us a company name when you purchase the software. We'll put that in and lock that, but you can change the company type categories. Now, what this is, there's no real hard and fast rule. There are going to be graphs that break down into these categories. So let's just say if you are marketing to maybe 4 or 5 different industries, or you're marketing to 6 different types of companies, and you want to be able to see a breakdown as per type, these are those types. This is completely up to you what you put in there, but it will give you a breakdown per those companies. You can even put locations. Maybe if you're marketing to 6 different locations, you can put the location down here, and all that'll happen is that your stats will break it up into those categories. Once you've done that, you're then ready to start. All you need to do is on the marketing directory, this is your actual list. All straightforward things. Company name, the contact name of the person, the website, the email address, telephone number, the address, the area, postcode, and then the contact date. Now this contact date is obviously the date when you actually contact the person. You can also put in the category. You can select the category as we said, so whether this was location or company type or whatever, you can select that. And then there's the response. So as obviously these responses would change, you may not get a reply, but then later on if you get a reply, you just click on that little arrow and you select the respective response category. You need to obviously keep this up to date in order to get all the charts and graphs corrected. Next is a client response note. You can actually put some notes in there just to remind yourself or to let you or your staff know exactly what's going on with that contact. Then all it is just a case of creating an entire contact list. As you go along, you can create this list. It's a nice contact list that you got. You can sort using these little arrows at the top here, so you can sort by any of these columns. And it's also a nice contact list to have in order to contact your clients. But obviously, within filling in these two, selecting the correct category and putting in the date of the contact, and obviously updating the response category, that's going to generate a lot of statistics. The first one is just the general statistics, the number of companies on the list. It'll give you a breakdown. Total number is total number of entries per company type. It'll give you a breakdown there, and obviously your responses, the different responses, how many of each response you've got, and how many you've actually done each month. This is ideal if you've got various marketing or sales staff. This sheet will show you exactly what they've done during the month, during each month, how many people they've approached, what type of companies they've been, what given category, and what kind of replies they've got. And obviously each of those categories will give you a graph as well to show you, so that you can see at a glance exactly what's gone on. You've also got your statistics by month. This is each of those different categories, obviously from January through to December as you selected the first month. It'll give you the months down there and each category, and you're able to see exactly how many per month with the chart at the bottom, which shows you exactly that. On the right hand side here, you can also select a month, and you can see just that month, and there it breaks down into colors of each different reply for that month. Or alternatively, you can do the full financial year. You've also got statistics per business category. So this is very similar. It's also got the responses, but instead of having the months down the side, it's got the different business, the different company types of categories that you had. And the chart will show you the same. It'll give you a breakdown of each one so that you know exactly, for argument's sake, how many negative replies you've got from company type 1. You'll be able to see this as well. You can do all types, or you can obviously break down per company type and get the relevant statistics, the relevant data and charts down over here. And lastly, you've got the business category per month. So again, you've got the months down the left-hand side, but this time instead of breaking down into response, it's a different kind of business category. So you can see obviously which months you've targeted which kind of business, which businesses in which category. This is also quite useful if you are monitoring what staff are doing, and you can then obviously compare this with the sales of those particular um, company types to see whether they're marketing maybe to the wrong company. So if you look at statistics by month, no, if you look at the business category and you see actually the most replies, the most positive replies we've got is from company type 1, and then you have a look here and you see, but actually they're marketing to a lot of company type 1s, maybe that will help you to change your marketing strategy and market to a different type of company. Again, if we scroll across over here again, you can see a full financial year, or you can actually go and look at any of the months. You can select the individual month, and these statistics will change accordingly. So I'm sure that you realize, obviously, from my point of view, if you've got this list and all that data and statistics that it actually gives you, it's very, very, very helpful from a marketing point of view, instead of just having your normal list that you would normally have and actually receiving nothing from it. So if you are interested in this product, if you're watching this video from the website, there's a link where you can download the PDF brochure. There's also a link where you can purchase the software. Otherwise, if you found this on YouTube, please go to spreadsheetsolutions.pw. There'll be a link very shortly on this video that you can click to visit the website and follow the on the menu to the store and take a look at what we have to offer. Thank you very much. Bye bye.